There's been a lot of times where I haven't had a place to live. I've lived in a car. I've had to stay in cars. I've stayed on top of roofs, slept outside of random buildings, on the beach, in an abandoned boat once. Why I ended up being homeless was when I was 19. I decided to come out to California, and I drove out here. Eventually I got pulled over, didn't have any registration, didn't have any title to my car, and they took my car, took everything that I owned, ended up homeless. Right now I live in a transitional housing program, and it's called the Way In, owned by the Salvation Army. Pretty much it's like they give you your own apartment. Without them, I don't think I would have been able to get a job. I got a job now, I got a car. I think it's really important to talk to other people in your situation. People know what you don't know. Without their help, you might not be able to find a lot of resources, a lot of places, even something like a website or a crisis number. Well, 5 years ago, I was actually in a much better situation than I am now. I lived in another state in Minnesota. I had a job. I had a car. I had my own apartment. Trying to get my GED as quick as I can, and trying to enroll in college. And by the time that's over in 5 years, I think I'll have a good, stable life and my own apartment, maybe my own house even. That's my goal. Well, in order to reach the goals, honestly, I think the most important thing that anybody needs is just simply the motivation and the belief that it's possible, that they could do it. I have had times where police officers have harassed me constantly. I would have been sleeping on the sidewalk. They'd come up to me and I would ask them, not even being rude or anything, I would ask them politely, where can I go? And they'd be like, that's not my problem, you find a place. And a service that I definitely say should be available for a lot of homeless youth is a program where, like a job program, because it's not always easy to find a job in the community even if you have all those skills. But if they have a program where, like an association that hires homeless youth, that would be a very good program. As far as laws go, I would change the no camping, no loitering, no sleeping in cars. I've had a phone ever since, forever. That really does make me more stable, and it makes me able to communicate. That is something that I've always had with me. Well, my ideal definition of home would be a stable place, somewhere where you don't have to worry. Permanent, pretty much. That's what I'd say a home is for me.